Franklyne Abung'ana. I'm going to take you through the TSC lesson observation form, or LOF, you can call it LOF. So this one is a customized form for my school, for those who are primary. You can see the details, or rather particulars there, the name of the institution, the teacher's name, TSC number, we have the ID number, class or grade, observer's name, and then the date of observation. On the other side, we have subject or the learning area. In CBC, we call it learning area, the topic for the old curriculum, or we call it the strand, and then you have subtopic or the substrand for the CBC classes. Then you have number of learners in the class. These are the number of learners you're going to attend to during the lesson or you expect. And then you have observer's ID number, this is your national identity number, and then the time during which the observation was done. This should come from the timetable. The second area, you have introduction and lesson organization. In this area, we have 5 performance indicators. So they are there. And during score, we have the maximum score, where observer score, and then we shall have observers comments. So we have those 5 areas. The third section, we have content delivery. We also have 5 areas to be scored. And then we have the teaching methods or techniques used. We shall have scores there. Next, we have the learning involvement and communication. Performance indicators, the scores there and the comments. Then we have classroom management, performance indicators, maximum score, observer score, and then observers comments. Finally, we shall have observers summary report on how the lesson has been conducted. Then after that, we shall have observers recommendation on maybe areas of improvement, strengths, and whatever. Then you have important points down here. We are told that NP, there should always be a preparatory meeting before the lesson observation and a feedback session after the lesson observation. Lesson observation portal is provided in Tpad online system. So the observer is required to enter the marks on the online lesson observation portal after observing a teacher. The last point is, this is a compulsory target. The online appraisal will remain incomplete to at least 97% if the marks on the duly filled lesson observation form or log are not uploaded on the teacher's online appraisal.